Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to go over cryptocurrency market, just get an overview on the markets, tell you what I think possibly could be going on, and then I'll go into Fantom. Yeah, let's go into Fantom, see what's going on with the old Fantom over there, see if it's going to be getting ready for another smoke show, possibly. Um, Going over Bitcoin, guys. Here's the deal. I'm going to go over the general markets, give you my take on it, okay? What I think possibly going on. This could be a trick. Bitcoin's doing the old flat. So here's the deal right here with this GBTC. I've been putting this together, guys, and I think GBTC is going to have a swing down like near $10, okay, on this move that it made right here, okay? So I think it ended right there, right around 23 of January. 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, and maybe a flat back down. So more than likely, that's what Bitcoin's doing. Let's check out the other related Bitcoin ones. This is MicroStrategy, guys, and it could be the same thing. Let me put it on candles here. 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. Could it be done there? It could, but there's not a lot of divergence on this 3-hour chart. You got to remember, it can come all the way up there and touch that second wave. So it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it done? Don't know. Or is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Very well could be, guys. I'm still thinking that leg on here is going to come for MicroStrategy and bring it back down to this area, down into this area, guys, is what I think. Okay. Good shot of that could be happening. Let's check out Mara. Mara's pumping today. Mara went up, and then let's see. Yeah, Mara could be done, guys. It could be done. But, it could have a pop, one more swing back down to here, 527, guys, and then finally finish up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the C wave, for the correction. So another area to pay attention to, I'm looking at the DXY, guys, and, the DXY there could have done a running flat, which is real bullish, okay? A 5-wave move right there. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then down for a 5, and that's a running flat. I actually took it out, so it wouldn't be a running flat. So it would be a flat move. So the DXY might rip off this move right here, guys. A, B, and then a C. Where we'll end up, who knows? But it could hit that 106. Okay. If it does that, the markets will go down. Okay. Here's the VIX. Looking at it. Kind of what I suspected with the VIX. I made previous videos that I think the VIX is going to be making that trend down there. So this is positive for the markets if it's going to be doing that, guys. So 4, and then maybe over here. I might pop back up and just, when the markets are going down, as an example, pop back up and then start making its way. So it could be, the VIX can be difficult, guys. It'd be like this, back down, back up, and then start making its way back like that or something like that, guys, possibly with the VIX. And then, so here's Bitcoin. Let me go to Bitcoin, and just looking at the chart, I was looking at it on like the 12-hour, and just right here, guys, just looking at it, to me, it looks like Bitcoin is not finished. Okay. It could, like I'm saying, what it could be. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But to me, it just looks like this section wants to swing back down over here. So don't be surprised if you get this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I looked at that. I exited out of my trade on Ethereum right here, guys. Just because I think it's a flat, I can re-enter if I screwed it up. But here's 1, 2. Ethereum looks a lot better. It could have ended there, but what if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down for a 5? Very well could be. That's how I'm looking at that. And then going over the other assets like Gala, to me, Gala doesn't look complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3 up for a 4, and then down for a 5. Gala needs a little bit more, in my opinion, guys. What's another asset we can look at to get an idea what's going on? Here's Matic. That's the 8-hour. What did it do on the 4-hour? Let's say check down here. Matic could have reset that cycle there, guys. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, Matic could have reset that cycle. Matic, I'd have to investigate Matic a little bit closer there. So here's synthetics. Keeping track of this asset. So synthetics, I think, is going to have another swing around too, guys. That's what the market is telling me. So here's your three, and it wouldn't be an ABC because here's the connector wave on synthetics. This would be WXY technically. So it'd be A, B, C. It'd probably come right back down to those areas, guys, right around $2 for synthetics. 1, 2, and then up for another third wave or a C wave. So that would be the trade with synthetics, guys. And this asset has been in a correction since the 23rd of January, guys. So that's what some people in the cryptocurrency market don't realize too, is that a lot of the cryptos technically have been in a correction since, like Bitcoin too, possibly, and Ethereum. They've been in a correction since the 23rd of January. So still, like the next 8 to 10 days, expect downside. And then there could be a reversal by the end of February or something like that, guys. I'd start looking like 25th of February or something like that, because this, if you take a look at this wave, right? So its wave started right there, and it took that wave 21 days, right? So now you're looking at its correction phase. And let's say, what is it at now? 24 days. And then it could come out to say 30 days. So there's the end of February. Let's go 25th of February. So you're looking at 36 days. So the time is going to be looking good for that, guys, meaning it's correction and then it can go in another bullish cycle. So that's how I'm looking at that. Markets look pretty decent. I was going to go show you guys some on the S&P 500. I was looking at it real close, and a lot of people bearish on this, and to me, it just looks like it wants to make another push up. I could be wrong about that, but I'm looking at this wave. You take this wave sequence right here. Let me put it on a line chart, make it clear. You see this right here? That to me is like A, B, C, a 5, 3, 5. So if this is correcting this way and you have impulse, 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 and an impulse here, more than likely it's going to go up and break those highs. That's how I'm looking at that. And you have like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5. So there's possibly more upside for this, even though everybody's waiting for the crash on this. The crash for the S&P was right here. This was the crash. This was the crash. This was the start of the crash, but then it reversed. And now it's been crash, 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 crash. And it's going to be up here. But once you get it up there, the S&P, it would make more sense to me, because then it'll have the bearish divergence in place on this wave in this area on this RSI. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you get your bearish divergence. And depending on what it's going to do here is going to matter for the cryptocurrency market. But the cryptocurrency market, or Bitcoin in general, for me, guys, is looking like this is going to be the setup. So for Bitcoin, right, the ABC, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly, maybe down something like that. Could be wrong, no guarantees. And then it's down like that, a little bit more in the daily. And then you got a massive amount of hidden bull right here, guys. Hidden bull, just like that is what I would think. So yeah, I'm still looking at the end of February, guys, 25th or something like that. Unless I'm wrong on this look. It just doesn't have the right look yet, guys, for a 5-wave move on the higher time frames, in my opinion, just looking at it. It just doesn't yet. But it doesn't, just like that, guys, and then this high spike right there, it just, this could be the trick, this is the trick, just the way it spiked to me and how the look of it. This thing right here, this area right here could go with this area right here, which kind of makes a little bit more sense to me. 1, 2, 3, flat move, and then back down for the 5. So, like I said, I could be wrong about that one, but we shall see how this plays out here in the next couple days or week or so. Went over Binance Coin too, guys. This is a decent one to keep track of. It's the 3rd largest cryptocurrency, and it could be the same thing here too with it, guys. So it could have one more swing down too, like right in that area. But it's hitting my price target area Okay. So it could be done. These can finish. They don't have to finish when Bitcoin finish. They can finish sooner or later. Okay. Now back to, let's go to Fantom here. Let's go to Fantom, see what's going on with this coin and check this one out. Let's see. Fantom. Okay. So Fantom went up in this wave. And you see here, look at a 6-hour chart. It's all the way down here, guys. You know, you see it basically is resetting its cycle. So here's the deal with Fantom. I was looking at it, guys, you know, and that took out the low right there. That took out the low right there. So this is not too sure how this is going to play out. Some people are going to think that this is done. That wave is awfully short for a correction, but it could be, you know, you just don't know with these assets sometimes. 7 days for that wave, 7 days for that wave. And where was this wave over here? Let's see, 22nd of December. Let's see. 11 days. 11 days for a second wave, 12 days. Probably not done, guys. Probably not done. So, more than likely with Fantom here, I would say 3. It's either a 5, and this is coming up for the B wave. So, boom, boom. And then it's going 5. So, 5, 3, and then a 5. Or this is 3 up, and then another 3-wave swing over here. That's your options. So let's just go a 5, 3, 5. That's what I would check out right here with Fantom. So you get your 5, 50% correction. It already tagged that right there. You see how it tagged the bottom of that wave and rejected right off of it? This whole thing could be the 5-wave too, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it could swing back around. But still, if it comes into this area, about 50% of this leg, then you'd be looking at 33 cents. And the reality of it, Fantom is going to be your better deal right here, 29 cents, dude, at the bottom of that wave right there, in my opinion, guys. So you can see, too, with Fantom, it can easily swing back down to 1.618 on any of these waves, guys. So this is the area to be checking out Fantom, okay? And then the more important data with Fantom is not only the price. I'm going to come here in the 12-hour chart and check it out down here in the RSI, guys. So that one right there did reset that bullish divergence, but it can swing back around. Make this time more equal with this, and then Fantom could be ready to go over there, guys. That's how I'm looking at it with Fantom. Fantom looks pretty good so far. People are just thinking it's going bullish again, probably, because it's either a B wave or probably corrective wave. Let's check it out on the 2-hour, see what we got. You see how high it is in the 2-hour, guys? You got bear signals now in that move. So there, you get your hidden bear right there, probably telling you that this is, well, here we go. Here's probably your 5-wave swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, and then swing back around into another 5-wave. A, B, C. A, B, and then C, guys. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor. Drop a like. Hit the subscribe button. Peace.